known for its stunning landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage. Choosing the most beautiful town sites. Montalcino, this town is the heart of the Brunello wine region, and it offers a charming medieval center and picturesque countryside vibrant nightlife. You can find a variety of bars, pubs, and clubs throughout the city. The Oltrarno district, Piazza Santo Spirito, and Via de Benci are known. Viareggio, known for its coastal nightlife, Viareggio offers numerous beach clubs that come alive in the summer months. You can enjoy music, cocktails, and dancing right by the sea. Pisa has a thriving nightlife, particularly around. Welcome to the Travel Diaries. In this video we will explore 10 most beautiful towns to visit in Tuscany, Italy. Tuscany, Italy is known for its stunning landscapes, charming towns, and rich cultural heritage. Choosing the most beautiful towns can be subjective, as Tuscany offers a plethora of picturesque destinations. However, here are 10 of the most beautiful towns to visit in Tuscany, known for their historical significance, architectural beauty, and natural surroundings. Florence, the capital of Tuscany. Florence is renowned for its magnificent art, architecture, and history. The city is home to iconic landmarks such as the Florence Cathedral, the Uffizi Gallery, and the Ponte Vecchio. We made travel videos for you with very hard effort. We need your support. God bless you. Please like and share our video with your friends. How did you like the video? Please tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Siena, famous for its medieval streets and stunning Piazza del Campo, Siena is an exceptionally well-preserved city with a unique historic center. The Siena Cathedral is a must-visit. San Gimignano, this hilltop town is known for its numerous medieval towers that offer panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. It's often called the medieval Manhattan. Lucca, enclosed by well-preserved Renaissance walls, Lucca is a charming town with cobbled streets, historic churches, and beautiful gardens. The city's walls are perfect for a leisurely bike ride or walk. Pienza, this small town is a gem in the heart of the Val d'Orcia. It's famous for its well-preserved Renaissance architecture and stunning views of the Tuscan countryside. Cortona, perched on a hillside, Cortona offers enchanting views of Lake Trasimeno and the surrounding valleys. The town's medieval streets and historic buildings are captivating. Montepulciano, known for its wine, Montepulciano is an elegant hill town with Renaissance palaces and churches. Wine enthusiasts can explore the many wine cellars and vineyards in the area. Arezzo, famous for its stunning Piazza Grande and the frescoes of Piero della Francesca, Arezzo is a historical and artistic treasure. Volterra, this ancient Etruscan town is perched high on a hill and is known for its historic architecture and archaeological sites. Montalcino, this town is the heart of the Brunello wine region, and it offers a charming medieval center and picturesque countryside views. These towns are just a glimpse of the beauty Tuscany has to offer. Each one has its unique charm, history, and attractions, making them perfect destinations for travelers seeking an authentic Tuscan experience. Nature of Tuscany. Tuscany is celebrated for its diverse and breathtaking natural beauty. The region's landscape is characterized by a combination of picturesque elements that create a unique and captivating environment. Here are some key aspects of the nature of Tuscany. Rolling hills. Tuscany is renowned for its rolling hills, which are covered in vineyards, olive groves, and cypress trees. This characteristic landscape is often associated with the region's countryside and is a defining feature of Tuscany's beauty. Vineyards and olive groves. Tuscany is a major wine-producing region, and its vineyards produce some of the world's finest wines, including Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Olive groves are also abundant, producing high-quality olive oil. Cypress trees. Tall, slender cypress trees are a common sight in Tuscany. They line driveways, roads, and pathways, creating a distinctive Tuscan aesthetic. The combination of cypress trees against the rolling hills is an iconic image of the region. Mediterranean coastline, Tuscany boasts a beautiful coastline along the Tyrrhenian Sea. The Tuscan coast offers sandy beaches, crystal-clear waters, and charming seaside villages. Popular coastal destinations include Viareggio, Forte dei Marmi, and the islands of Elba and Giglio. Apennine Mountains. The northern part of Tuscany is bordered by the Apennine Mountains. This mountainous region provides opportunities for hiking, trekking, and outdoor activities. The Apennines also offer scenic landscapes and charming mountain villages. Valleys and rivers. Tuscany is intersected by numerous rivers, including the Arno, Ombrone, and Serchio. These rivers have carved out valleys and fertile plains, providing a rich environment for agriculture. Natural parks and reserves. Tuscany is home to several natural parks and reserves, such as the Castino forests, Monte Amiata, and the Maremma Regional Park. These areas are teeming with diverse flora and fauna and offer hiking and wildlife watching opportunities. Thermal springs. Tuscany is famous for its thermal springs and spa towns. Places like Saturnia and Monte Catini Terme have natural hot springs that have been used for centuries for relaxation and healing. Flora and fauna. Tuscany's natural environment supports a rich diversity of plant and animal life. You can find a wide range of plant species, including colorful wildflowers and aromatic herbs. The region is also home to various wildlife, such as deer, wild boars, and bird species. Forests and woodlands. Tuscany features a mix of woodlands, including chestnut and oak forests, which contribute to the region's scenic beauty and provide resources for traditional Tuscan cuisine. The natural beauty of Tuscany, with its harmonious blend of landscapes, has inspired countless artists, poets, and travelers over the centuries. It's a region that offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from exploring historic towns to enjoying the serene countryside and the Mediterranean coast. Foods of Tuscany. Tuscan cuisine is celebrated for its simple yet flavorful dishes that make use of high-quality, local ingredients. The region's food is deeply rooted in tradition and has a strong connection to the land. Here are some of the most iconic foods of Tuscany. Ribollita. This hearty soup is a Tuscan classic. It's made with bread, cannellini beans, and an assortment of vegetables like kale, cabbage, and carrots. It's often cooked twice. The name ribollita means reboiled, to develop its rich, comforting flavors. Papa al pomodoro, another delicious bread-based dish. Papa al pomodoro is a thick tomato and bread soup, seasoned with garlic, basil, and olive oil. It's a simple but flavorful comfort food. Bistecca alla fiorentina. This is a famous Tuscan T-bone steak, often cooked rare or medium rare. It's typically seasoned with just salt, pepper, and olive oil and grilled over an open flame. It's a carnivore's delight. Crostini. These are small, toasted bread slices typically topped with various spreads, such as chicken liver pâté, crostini di fagottini, tomato and basil, crostini al pomodoro, or olive tapenade, crostini di olive. Paisai. These thick, hand-rolled pasta noodles are a Tuscan specialty. They are typically served with simple but delicious sauces like aglione, garlic and tomato, or cacio e pepe, pecorino cheese and black pepper. Panforte, a traditional Italian fruitcake hailing from Siena. Panforte is made with honey, nuts, and candied fruit. It's dense and sweet and often enjoyed during the Christmas season. Cantucci, biscotti. These almond biscuits are twice-baked, resulting in a crispy texture. They're typically dipped in vin santo, a sweet dessert wine, before being enjoyed. Tuscan bread. Tuscan bread is unique because it's made without salt. This has led to a variety of flavorful dishes, as the bread can absorb the tastes of other ingredients in dishes like bruschetta and panzanella. Acquacotta, a simple, peasant soup. Acquacotta is made with ingredients like stale bread, onions, tomatoes, and eggs. It's a rustic and flavorful dish. Panzanella. This is a refreshing Tuscan salad made with stale bread, tomatoes, onions, basil, and olive oil. It's a great way to use up leftover bread and celebrate the region's fresh produce. Lampredotto, a popular street food in Florence. Lampredotto is a sandwich made from the fourth stomach of a cow, simmered in a flavorful broth and often served with green sauce or red sauce. Wild boar. Tuscany is known for its wild boar, which is used in various dishes. One of the most famous preparations is pappardelle al cinghiale, where wide pasta noodles are served with a rich wild boar sauce. Olive oil. Tuscany produces some of Italy's finest olive oils, and it's used generously in cooking and as a finishing touch in many dishes. Tuscan cuisine is all about fresh, seasonal ingredients and simple preparations that allow the natural flavors to shine. When dining in Tuscany, be sure to pair your meal with a local Chianti or Brunello di Montalcino wine for an authentic experience. Beaches of Tuscany. Tuscany, known for its beautiful countryside and historic cities, also offers a stunning coastline along the Tyrrhenian Sea. Tuscany's coastline stretches for approximately 250 miles, 400 kilometers, and includes a variety of beaches, from sandy shores to rocky coves. Here are some of the notable beaches in Tuscany. Viareggio Beach, located in the coastal town of Viareggio, this is one of the most famous beaches in Tuscany. It features a long promenade, soft golden sand, and numerous beach clubs, making it a popular destination for sunbathing and water sports. Viareggio is also known for its carnival, held in February, which is one of the largest in Italy. Forte dei Marmi Beach. Forte dei Marmi is an upscale coastal town known for its elegant beach clubs, luxury villas, and high-end shopping. The beach here is well maintained and offers a serene atmosphere for relaxation. Cala Violina. This beach is part of the Banded di Scarlino Nature Reserve and is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and the sound of the sand, which is said to make a sound similar to a violin when you walk on it. It's accessible via a short hike through a forested path. Marina di Alberese, situated in the Maremma Regional Park, this beach is part of a protected natural area. It's a pristine, wild beach with dunes and pine forests. Access is by foot, bike, or shuttle from the park's entrance. Castiglione della Pescaia. This charming coastal town boasts several beautiful beaches. The town's historic center is picturesque, and the beaches are known for their cleanliness and family-friendly atmosphere. Barati Beach. Near the medieval village of Populonia, Barati Beach is characterized by its clear waters and fine sand. It's also an archaeological site, with Etruscan ruins in the area. Spiaggia del Ghie. Located on the island of Elba, this beach is a mix of small pebbles and smooth rocks. The clear waters make it an excellent spot for snorkeling and swimming. Cavalli Beach. Also on the island of Elba, Cavalli Beach features fine golden sand and shallow waters. It's a popular choice for sunbathing and swimming. Spiaggia del Canal. Another lovely Elba beach, Spiaggia del Canal is surrounded by lush vegetation. The clear waters and calm atmosphere make it a relaxing spot. La Fenilia. This long, sandy beach is situated near the town of Orbetello. It's part of a protected natural reserve and is a great place for nature lovers. You can enjoy the beach and explore the surrounding pine forests and lagoon. Tuscany's beaches offer a wide range of experiences, from the upscale beach clubs of Viareggio to the tranquil and natural settings of the Maremma Regional Park. Whether you're looking for a lively beach scene or a more secluded escape, Tuscany's coastline has something for every traveler. Nightlife in Tuscany. Tuscany is often associated with its rich cultural heritage, historic cities, and beautiful countryside. While it might not be as renowned for its nightlife as some other Italian regions, there are still plenty of opportunities for nighttime entertainment and socializing in Tuscany. Here's an overview of the nightlife scene in Tuscany. Florence, as one of Italy's major cities, Florence has a vibrant nightlife. You can find a variety of bars, pubs, and clubs throughout the city. The Oltrarno district, Piazza Santo Spirito, and Via de' Benci are known for their nightlife. You can enjoy live music, DJ sets, and a mix of locals and tourists. Siena has a lively social scene, especially during the summer palio season. The Piazza del Campo and surrounding streets have numerous bars and cafes. The university town atmosphere contributes to a dynamic nightlife. Viareggio, known for its coastal nightlife, Viareggio offers numerous beach clubs that come alive in the summer months. You can enjoy music, cocktails, and dancing right by the sea. Pisa has a thriving nightlife, particularly around the university area. Nightclubs, bars, and student hangouts are spread across the city, providing a youthful and energetic atmosphere. Livorno, the port city of Livorno offers a diverse nightlife with a mix of seaside bars, jazz clubs, and traditional Italian taverns. The historic district is known for its bars and seafood restaurants. Carrara is famous for its marble, but it also has a lively nightlife scene. The Piazza Alberica is the central hub for bars and clubs, and you can enjoy live music and DJ sets. Beach parties, during the summer months, coastal towns like Forte dei Marmi, Castiglione della Pescaia, and Siena Mare host beach parties and open-air clubs where you can dance under the stars. Wine bars and tastings. Tuscany is renowned for its wine, and many towns offer wine bars and enotecas that stay open late, where you can sample local wines and enjoy a relaxed evening. Theater and cultural performances. Check out local theaters and cultural events, which may include opera, theater performances, and concerts in historical venues. Local festivals. Tuscany hosts a variety of festivals throughout the year, including food festivals, music festivals, and cultural events, where you can experience local culture and have a great time. While Tuscany may not have the all-night party scene of some other Italian cities, it offers a more relaxed and culturally rich nightlife experience. Whether you're sipping wine at a cozy enoteca, dancing at a beach club, or enjoying a live music performance in a historic square, Tuscany has something to offer for everyone seeking nighttime entertainment. We made travel videos for you with very hard effort. We need your support. God bless you. Please like and share our video with your friends. How did you like the video? Please tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks again with core of heart. Have a nice day. God bless you.